You don't love me, love. You don't love, love. You don't love me, love. You don't love, love. You don't love me, love.
a long few days. I just finished installing the wall on the driver's side of the van, so I'll give you a quick walkthrough of what I've done. So on the front side, front driver's side of the van, the panels are broken into 3 sections. This top panel that molds around the foam blob, a middle panel to cover the main section here, and it is flush trimmed with the window frame that I built. So I was able to route this out. I'm just going to add another layer of paint at some point to get rid of these kind of burn marks from the router. But it came out pretty well. It makes this enclosed off area coming right up to the window. And then the lower section here, and I cut out a little area in the bottom here to run wires for the gas heater and alternator charging through. And then I also have outlet, 120 volt outlet right over here. And then moving back, here's kind of the control panel area. So I mounted the S-bar gas heater controller, another 120 volt GFCI outlet. That is the start of this 120 volt circuit. A switch to turn on and off the Starlink, with a couple more switch placements for the future. And the Serbo GX, this is called the GX Touch 70, I believe, or Touch 50. This is a monitoring device, so you can see information about your electrical system. So on the back side, I have a top panel, this middle section panel, which again I routed to fit the bed bump out box on the driver's side, and a lower panel down here. So here's what the wall looks like on the driver's side. Now I just got to do it again over here. Do it once more. A couple of the complications on this side will be these dual outlets stacked right on top of each other. That's going to be a bit complex. I need to work around this DC fuse block on the driver's side. And then over here, I've just got a ton of switches and dimmers. And again, down here, I have switches and dimmers. And another outlet down here. The actual walls are built out of 1/4 inch Baltic birch plywood with polyurethane to protect the back, and then 2 coats of paint, 2 coats of white, 2 coats of primer, 2 coats of paint on the front. And it's got kind of like a satin or a semi-gloss finish or something that will help keep the walls from becoming too dirty. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. I'm going to try to add a bit more color. I know it's so white right now, but I want to add some accent color to the cabinets and to the drawers, to the galleys. This is mostly, a lot of this won't actually be shown because I'm thinking to add overhead cabinets here and kitchen galley somewhere in here. It's just kind of for all of the in-between areas and to block out all the insulation and the framing and in the bedroom.